I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking.
What's up, YouTube? Today, we're gonna serve you up something really nice. Let's get started. Today we got an awesome piece, and here it is, the Bodega quality flavor 35th anniversary G-Shock DW6900 bat to the bone. Let me show you guys something. This watch, you guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, I'm a sucker for details, and this one has it all. And here we go. This one here is the Bodega, and check this. Wait a minute, look inside there, some soup. This can't be right. Let's try this again. And there we have it. Much better, right? Oh, there we go. That's how it's supposed to be. So this one here is the 35th anniversary Bodega edition G-Shock DW6900. They just went all out with this, guys. I have to go into detail, but let me show you guys. It's designed as a can of soup, obviously, right? Right here you have the Bodega, right? Bodega quality flavor, 35th anniversary top, unmatched quality and taste, G-Shock, limited time offer details on the back. Got the G right there. A lot of cool detail. Alphabet soup. Good. Isn't that the Campbell's logo, right? Right? Check out this nutrition facts label. This is cool. Nutritional facts. 1 serving of DW6900BB, that's the black edition. 1 watch, the servings per container. 218 calories. 0 fat. Total durability, 0 milligrams. 100% durability. Shock resistant, 100%. Water resistant, 200 meters. Battery life, 2 years. 100% features. Backlight with afterglow. Multifunction alarm. Hourly time signal. 15 plus seconds per month accuracy for the quartz movement. 50 millimeter round face. Black resin body with adjustable strap. Special edition 35th anniversary Bodega X G-Shock. I mean, this is so cool, guys. Somebody took their time and designed this watch, and I appreciate it every bit. Empty soup into the pan, stir it, blah, 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 blah. Pretty cool. Thank you for copying. This right here is from the Bodega store. There's 2 locations. One's in Los Angeles. The second one is in Boston, Massachusetts. I mean, this is cool, guys. Let's check out the watch itself. I thought it was pretty neat that it comes in a tin can. You twist the top, right? Pops right open. Inside you have the manual and the watch. Let me get the watch for you guys. I'll show it to you guys in a second there. And I'll show you how it comes. Here's your 3230 module. All right, put this down. Let's show you the watch. All right, here's the watch. It comes inside the can like that. Pull it out. Look at this. Nice little bag. Like a grocery bag, I would say. And here's the watch. The BB edition Bodega. So nice, so cool. For you guys that don't know, bodegas are little like grocery stores, I would say, located in like mostly ethnic neighborhoods. They sell, you know, necessary things like rice, soup, cereal, soda, pop, milk. It's pretty much a little grocery store. So this store here, the Bodega store, has a cool store in Boston. The store itself resembles that of a bodega, right? But behind the scenes, through the cut, gives you access to a cool little shoe store, right? They sell shoes, they sell clothing. It's like boutique, but they sell kind of high-end clothing. Some clothes sell up to $4,000 for jackets, and so you can get shoes for about $150. But they are a high-end boutique, and that's a cool thing about Bodega. And I didn't know this prior to purchasing the watch. I did some research, but I thought it was pretty cool. So here's your DW6900 BB edition. and it is so cool. If you guys don't have this watch, just the watch itself is neat, but this is just even better. Just clean her up a little bit, a little dusty. There we go. BB edition, blacked out. Cool little alarm, timer, stopwatch. All black face with white accent there. Check out this backlight. I don't know if I can catch you here. Oops, I think, oh, my fault. Think about a different watch. Can't see it, right? Let me turn the light off here. Boop. Look at that. Pretty neat backlight, if you ask me. There we go. That's pretty cool. But that's not the cool stuff about this watch. I'll show you the cool stuff. Bodega printed on the band, established in 2006. And then on the other side, you have Bodega, right? It reminds me of that movie, Half Baked, right? When Dave Chappelle tries to explain to you guys what a bodega is. Here's a clip of that.
You can get this stuff at little corner stores called bodegas. Say it with me. Bodegas. Yeah, it's very good. You can tell these places because they always have incredibly old products.
That's hilarious. Love Dave Chappelle. And here you have it. Hidden in plain sight. Right on the band. That's just, I mean, it speaks volumes. It speaks exactly what Bodega store is all about. You have this Bodega front store in the front, and you access a cool boutique in the back, which is hidden in plain sight. Hence the word. And that is their motto, hidden in plain sight. Backplate, nothing special, just a standard BB 6900 backplate. No special LED backlight. But I still think they did a great job with the can, with the bag, with the concept itself. If I would have done anything different, I would have did a backplate. Maybe chosen a different watch and added a backlight. But overall, I am content. I give this one maybe a 7.58 for effort. There's better, but this one is cool. Bodega. Right, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll show you guys some of the clothing they sell on their website. Here it is. You can see some high-end stuff. Like I said, up to $4,000. Pretty cool store. If you guys are ever in Boston, Los Angeles, check them out. I'll put the addresses here and here. That's where they're located. Check them out. I don't think the Bodega DW6900 is for sale on their website anymore. You'll have to find it through third parties, but definitely want to cop. All right, put your little stash in there, hide your goods, your coins, whatever, or put your watch in there, right? Display it in there. But there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Please smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you like the content. Please comment below. Tell me what you think about the Bodega. Hey, watch it. Tell me what you think about the Bodega watch. Do you like it? Did you think it's too much? Not necessary? Not your style? Or do you love it? Are you trying to get one? Comment below. Subscribe. Hit the alert button for more content. And I'll see you guys very soon. This Chicago. I'm out of here. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Super Shock. I'm rocking my